study. Baba. Baba. And you already. Wee. Where do we start the supercross season? Skirt, skirt, skirt. Okay. Come in. Go, bro. Here's the top qualifier doing a warm-up fun lap. I'm gonna embarrass myself in front of the whole people. Boom! Sorry, I'm bringing you down. I know. And you already knew because it's we could have sit, stand up, baby. For your soup. This is for your super mini. Oh, your big, huge case. Oh, are you alright? That's a fun lap. How was it? Whoa! Too much power. No. You can control the power, okay? Actually, no. Now now you'd be back in the line. Oh, he's back. Oh, now you're first to get down. Now this is warm up. Whoa, There's one thing I really want to do. Whoa, yeah, dude. That was amazing on the 85. That was sick. At least I got a little track preview. Oh yeah! Anyone with the bars. Oh yeah! I want you to full on pin it out on that jump. So like, I'm gonna reset you. And you only know because I'm real. Yes sir. See. Whoa. Turn. I want to turn all the way. Clutch. Dump it. Oh, you were close. No. Keep going. No. Start it. Go. Oh my gosh. No. There's no. There you go. 85. That one scared me, dude. Whoa, that scared me. The power scared me. Whoa. No, you're coming in too hard. So what you're doing is you're splatting it. Splat. No. Hit it. No. No. I was into the crowd a little bit. Sorry, bike. And remember, they got a lot more warm-ups to do. Second place. When we watched it, you had to be aggressive. You had to be on the pine. I want you full sending that, like jump-wise. Go. No, I said go! You know what that means? Go and pin it. Yes, sir. I think they're calling in laps, probably. I mean, it's like, in your qualifying, you better be on the bike before you qualify. No. Oh my god, that skirt. Let's go. Oh no. 62. Boom, 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 boom. I think they're calling it in, like one more lap probably, or just one quick section. Cause they gotta get it going, cause this is the slowest lap time. Go, go! I want you to be pinning in the whoops tonight. As soon as you clear over it, like I mean, as soon as you pop the first, oh, up second, 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 second. Skirt a skirt, squat, and I looked at. You'll see this video. This is why I never ride dirt bikes. Or this is why it sucks. That's what you would do right here. If you're like super or something like that, you know that probably that would be you. Oh, oh, come on. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Yeah. Oh, oh, yeah, dude. Pull it, wheel it. Yes, sir, yes, sir. That's sick, bro. That's sick, Willie. Okay. Yeah. Run. Okay, super mini. Super mini qualifier. Oh no. First starting gate. You got this, dude. You're just one random starting gate. The one. Okay, you're way up. So remember, you gotta pin. Don't go straight into the wall. Don't do easy. Okay. Stop laughing. Okay. Don't do anything like that, okay? And this bike's powerful. I can't go, I can't go. Boom, 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 boom. Fault restart, fault restart. What if I just went straight in? No, 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 no. I can't control it. My batteries are off. My batteries are off. Go, boom, boom, boom. My batteries are off. If you only know that I wish I was special. I wish I was special. I wish I was me. Here comes up with the 250s. Boo boo. Okay, let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Keep going. Keep going. Yoit. No, 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 no. You had it. You had it. No, no, no. Go, 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 go. Second place is right over there. There's first right over there. Oh, what he's about to do. Oh, yes. He cased the jump. He rolled it like it's a beauty. Yes, sir. Case it. I'm not doing phone friends. With the rain. No, good. Right there. You're way out in first. You're not. But that count. You're good. Okay, stand. Stand. Oh no. No. Slow clutch. You're in first gear. This is gonna be lap 2 out of 3. First supercross video in a long time. What should I title this week? Whatever. Or I could call it GoPro Raw First Supercross Race. Go! Skirt! Round 1. GoPro Raw. I know I don't look that bad out there, but I could do a little bit better. I think I'm just gonna pull him in and just make him as saying qualifying. So just start pulling everybody in. That's the end of the race. Cut it short. Yeah, number 2. Because I'm second place. Okay, you're not actually. Oh, I know. Okay, start it. Go. What's a good thing you can... Oh, I can do... Oh, I got the perfect idea. Oh, this is gonna be hilarious. Why you say that? Oh, you guys have something going on pretty good. This is gonna be hilarious. This might be hilarious. Go! Everybody crashes, he's in first. Yay! He gets the horse off the weirdest backup start ever. Don't. Go. Sometimes I love my song. I don't know if that was illegal or not. Stop. Skirt. Okay, burr. Sorry, hit it. Oh, no. Don't hit the double. Because you're not going to have enough speed. Oh, he wrecks. Come on. Get up the boom. Okay, get up the... Oh my god. Just that fart, dude. Yay! I think this is about to be, 3 out of 3. Don't hit the... No, you were that close. I think this is about to be hilarious videos. Okay, cancel the race. You're done. Okay, that was a really good race. Like, I mean, really good. Really good race. We're gonna call it ends there. But that was hilarious, right? Be serious next time, right?